Hi friends, this is Dr. Sukhdeep. I'll be talking about the skincare during summers. We all are stuck indoors due to COVID 19, and we've been washing our hands frequently with alcohol based sanitizers as well as the various soaps. So, the most common skin problem we all are encountering these days is dryness, itching, and blebs coming up in the skin of the hands. It's also known as the hand eczema. So basically, you need to moisturize your hands frequently. The mantra should be the more often you wash your hands, the same as you need to moisturize your hands frequently. A good hand cream should contain lots of urea. It should have ceramides, vitamin E, mango butter, shea butter, cocoa butter. You can check in the various ingredients that all these are present or not. And then the other thing is that most of the maids, they're on leave, so all of us are taking care of the household chores, starting from cleaning of the utensils to cooking and washing of your clothes with detergents and cutting various fruits and vegetables. So the chemicals which are present in detergent and soaps are directly exposed to the skin. So what we can do is we can wear plastic gloves. They are very easy to handle. They dry very easily. We can keep it in this kitchen itself. And whenever we indulge into household chores such as washing of clothes or cleaning of the utensils, we can always wear the plastic gloves and then moisturize our hands whenever we need to, so that the moisture content is maintained. Hence, the hand eczema is prevented. The other things which we encounter during summers is the prickly rash or the prickly heat which we encounter. That is because of the extremes of the temperature. So, a good soothing calamine lotion, a good moisturizing body lotion will help you. Also, keeping your environment cool with coolers or AC is important. And then, please wear loose fit cotton clothes as well as cotton undergarments. Now, to prevent a sunburn, please make sure that you wear a broad brim hat whenever you step out. A good broad spectrum sunscreen with the SPF of 15 to 30 is mandatory when you step out. And then I would advise that you protect your skin physically from the sun in the form of full sleeves clothing whenever you step out. The extreme of sun rays usually are from 11 o'clock to 4 o'clock. So, whenever you need to step out, I know the stepping out, going outdoors is limited, but still, if you do go outdoors, make sure that you wear a sunscreen and you cover your body with full sleeves so that the sunburn doesn't occur. Now you also have certain problems such as folliculitis. Folliculitis is also known as bal tor in common language. It is usually a bacterial staph aureus infection of the hair follicle, the root of the hair follicle. It presents as a red swelling which is filled of pus. It's usually painful, makes the patient uncomfortable. So the best advice is to have a dermatology consult, take a prescribed dose of oral antibiotics as well as antibiotic creams, and please practice good hygiene, and please take bath daily. Then you also have fungal infections during the summers. So the most important part is that clean yourself, keep your body dry, keep your folds dry, such as underarms and between your thighs, under your breast. Please, you can use dusting antifungal powders daily so that they soak the sweats, fungus doesn't grow. Wear loose fit cotton clothes, cotton undergarments. Don't share your clothes with somebody in the house. Don't share your towels specifically. And when you wash your clothes, make sure you dry them properly in the sun, you iron them, and then you have to wear them. This kills the residue which is present in the fungal infection. Keep your nails cut. Then we all have the acne as well as the pimple breakouts during this sweaty season, humid season. Make sure that you don't apply any hairy oils on your hair. Don't apply any oily creams on your face. Don't touch your pimples. Don't scratch or fiddle with your pimples. And make sure that you don't use salicylic acid, glycolic acid, or neem face washes. Instead, use a paraben fragrance-free soft cleansing lotion which is made of cetyl alcohol as well as the stearyl alcohol. Use oil-free moisturizer, use oil-free sunscreen to take care of your skin. Then we also have dry and itchy skin. People usually complain in extremes of weather that they have a lot of dryness and itchiness over your skin. Again, wearing cotton clothes, avoiding synthetic clothes, and make sure that you have ample amount of body lotions which have vitamin E, cocoa butter and mango butter, vitamin E in it. Make sure that you moisturize your skin thoroughly. As you take care of your skin in winters, it's very important that you take care of your skin during summers also. Now, to end it, I would like to give you some journal information. Everybody asks that we want a beautiful, flawless skin. We want ageless beauty on our skin. So the answer to this is that please practice a good skincare regime daily. That would include, during summer specifically, that would include a paraben-free, a fragrance-free cleansing lotion in the morning as well as in the night. Oil-free moisturizer. If your skin is oily, it's acne-prone, you can use a moisturizer or a lotion which is rich in ceramides if your skin is dry and sensitive, followed by a good sunscreen. Again, sunscreen can be a lotion or a cream, but if you have oily skin, you can switch over to a gel-based sunscreen. Now at night, for anti-aging purposes, you can use a vitamin A derived retinol derived products are there, serums as well as creams are there, you can use them. And also you can use serums which have vitamin C for lightening, brightening, anti-aging, antioxidant effects. These vitamin C serums, usually they are also have ferulic acid in them, then they have hyaluronic acid and vitamin E in them. The very good serums, they have that lightening, brightening effects, and they also give you long lasting skin rejuvenation effects. So these are the daily care regimes which you can practice. Along with it, please make sure that you have a good nutritious diet. People spend lots and lots of money eating multivitamins, antioxidants, to take care of your skin and of your hair. I would advise, when nature has blessed us so much, why don't use and make the maximum use of it. Eats lots of green veggies. We have bell pepper, we have broccoli, then we have cucumber, we have lettuce. Make sure that you have a bowl of salad every day. Then you're having a rich source of multivitamins and antioxidants naturally without spending money on expensive capsules. Similarly, make sure that you have a bowl of fruits also. Seasonal fruits are available, you can make the maximum use of it. Obviously take less of mangoes, more of apples, oranges and quinoas. You can always add yogurt to your salad, make a salad of fruits or of the seasonal veggies and the greens. And I would not recommend that you use any salt or sugar in your salads, dressings, or any kind of sauces or dressings. They all have fat content. So, a simple salad, bowl of salad has a very high fiber content. It helps to keep your bowel ingestion also very well. And again, it has anti-aging properties as it's rich in multivitamins and antioxidants. Last but not the least, please have lots and lots of water. Keep yourself hydrated. Stay indoors, stay safe. Thank you.